Hey guys, welcome to another exciting episode of Funky's Garage where we are going to battle the list. So we still have, we're going to start off with the tire pressure monitoring system, the wheels, and the tires because we're going to need my current wheels are pretty scrubbed up from me, kissing the sidewalk, because I suck at parallel parking. And my wheels are pretty bald. I think they're from like a couple years ago. They're very, very bald. I think they're like 2021 tires, but they're very not good. And last winter, I was just sliding all over the place. And the TPMS systems on my dashboard, it just constantly on since it's broken. Like the little battery it has ran out on all of them basically, except for like the front left. And yeah, it's annoying having all that lit up. So yeah, we're gonna get all this, spend a good amount of money. I think this is my biggest purchase ever so far, besides car, but maintenance. So yeah, let's get to it. So here we have a D-tired wheel. It's my front left, which was, no, I think it's front right or rear right. I think it's rear right, yeah. This is back right. As you can tell, it's super dirty. Look at all the scuff marks along the edge. Real bad from me kissing the sidewalk. You can see the TPMS right there. Battery's dead. Doesn't work. It was marking, I think like 999 PSI or 900 something. It was a crazy amount. Or sometimes it'll be 0 PSI. Yeah, but the biggest problem from my wheels, I think this one and another one was pretty bad, were this. You can see how dented it is from like me hitting a pothole or something. That's really bad. So like I hit the pothole and eventually air would just leak out slowly across, I don't know, every 3 days, 4 days, I would have to like refill my tire with air. Because it kept leaking, and I think I had a nail on my tire too, which is not good. So yeah, we're gonna go and buy some new tires and new wheels, which will be a pretty penny. There's this page I've been seeing called American Muscle that's like, it has a pretty good amount of rims, wheels, and tire kits, combos, and like a lot of accessories for like Challengers and like other cars. So, and it's like within my budget too. So I might go check out the website. I'll post up what I'm gonna probably end up buying right here, and hopefully it comes in sooner rather than later. So on the front porch, we have the tires. Say hi to Bobby. Hi, Bobby. He's a stray cat. He's a stray cat we picked up. As you can see, he has one eye. Hi, Bobby. I love you, Bobby. He's so big too. I think he weighs like 10 pounds, but he's a big boy. Here's a little ear clip. He was a stray for a while. We'd see him in the neighborhood. I love him. He's a big boy. Hi, boy. I'm so glad we picked him up. He was a stray and blocked for a couple months. I don't know if he's probably a catch and release cat. But we kept feeding him, and one day he just came with us. And I feel like if we would have taken him to the shelter, because of his eye, I don't know, people would have not taken him home. Probably would have stayed at the shelter. So we brought him in, and he's handsome. Hi, Bobby. I love you. You can hear him. Okay. Back to the tire. So yeah, these are the tires. 4 tires. And they're the ones that came with the kit. Pretty good. Trying to see what size they are. I forgot what size they were. Oh, right here. They are 255 35Z R20. It's pretty good. So, not bad. They're gonna look great with the car. Bobby's still here chilling. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Bobby. So yeah, they're pretty good. I also got shocks, but these are for like the future video. Rear shocks. The car has super cheap shocks, so I bought some new ones, but that's for the future. And with some lug nuts too. But yeah, and I have the wheels in my workout room because there's like no room in here. Well, there is room, but I don't want to be too crowded over here. So yeah, let's go check them out. So here are the rest of the packages. These are the wheels. Very cool, American Muscle. It says right there what it is. Matte black, 20x9, plus 18 offset. I have one right here in my workout room that's being used as storage room right now. My cat's right there. Well, he was there. He's outside in the kitchen probably. But yeah, that's it. Let's see. I'm gonna open one up right now. Let's destroy that. These over here. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh. There you go. Brand new wheels. Has the AM. Pretty good. Pretty solid. Love it. So yeah, these are gonna go onto the car. I'll just keep them here in a box until we have the appointment. And yeah, we'll see how they turn out later. Yep. So these are new wheels we got. Nice, beautiful. Sorry, they are pretty dirty. It was super muddy outside. But yeah, they're real nice wheels, fully balanced, cool lug nuts. With the AM for American Muscle. It's already so dirty. Oh my god, it's been maybe like 2 days. But yeah. And here's the tire. It's the Lionheart. Lionheart has a little cool line on it. But yeah, that's the measurement. 255/35Z R20. Beautiful tires, brand new from 24th week of 2024. So still brand new, never been used. Brand new out of package. But yeah, sturdy. So I'm hoping rims are so clean, no dents, no scratches, no nothing. So yeah, there's the other one, pretty clean too. And yeah, I'm excited for these wheels, and the tires are also pretty good too. So yeah, I think the next thing I would have to do is probably give them a good clean. It's been a rainy couple days, but the next 2 weeks gonna be like nice out, so give it a nice brush. I have the brushes and all that. So yeah, cool lug nuts. It's not dirty at all. Well, at least too dirty. But yeah, check out American Muscle for these type of wheels. I think they were like $1,100 for the whole set plus tires, the whole kit. So yeah, fully assembled. Thank you to American Muscles for facilitating all that process and the confusion. And here we have a side-by-side of my old wheels compared to my new ones, which is basically the same design, less scratched and less dinged up from the potholes. But yeah, they look pretty nice. Total for the entire purchase, including new tires, new wheels, rear shocks, lug nuts, came out to be around $1,700, which is definitely like the largest purchase I've done for this channel so far. But yeah, it was well worth it, and I hope these will last me quite a bit. Okay guys, so now that we've done the tire pressure monitoring system and the wheels and the new tires, we're all set to check these off the list. I'm working on a video right now. I'm working quote because I'm kind of lazy right now. I'm gonna cross these out. I had to switch hands. So this one's good. This one's good. Now we need the rear shocks, cabin air filter, brake pads, oil change, and this one AC, which is it's not the cooling, it's the heating aspect to it. So yeah, and the trunk latch, which still won't open. So yeah, we got those two down. I'll just cross it off. Cool. And let's hope rear shocks aren't such a hassle. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. 1 horsepower. That's a terrible one. 1 sub equals 1 horsepower to the channel. So go hit the sub button, guys.